In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Shopify with QuickBooks, a process that will make managing your business finances a lot easier and more efficient. By connecting these two powerful platforms, you'll be able to seamlessly transfer your sales data from Shopify into QuickBooks, thus streamlining your accounting tasks and freeing up time to focus on running your business. Let's dive right in to ensure you can get the most out of your e-commerce setup. First, ensure you've logged into your Shopify admin account. From here, we'll navigate to the section where we can add apps. This is found under Apps and Sales Channels. It's an area designed to help you customize how your Shopify store operates by integrating it with various services and channels. You'll see this option in the left-hand menu once you're in the admin view. Once you have reached the Apps and Sales Channels section, the next step is to find the QuickBooks Online app. You can do this by using the search bar within the App Store interface. Type in QuickBooks Online, and it should show up in the search results. QuickBooks Online is an official app designed specifically to link with your Shopify store, ensuring data is transferred smoothly and securely. After locating the QuickBooks Online app, go ahead and click on it. This will open up more detailed information about the app, including its features, pricing, if applicable, and user reviews. Reviewing these details can give you a clearer understanding of how the integration will benefit your store operations. If everything looks good, you'll proceed by clicking on the Add App button. This action initiates the installation process. Following this, you'll be directed to confirm your choice by granting necessary permissions for Shopify to access relevant data. These permissions are essential to ensure that data can flow freely and accurately between Shopify and QuickBooks. Make sure you understand what data will be shared between the two platforms by reading the permissions list carefully. Once satisfied, click the Install App button to finalize the connection. Now that QuickBooks Online is successfully added to your Shopify account, it's important to configure your settings. This configuration is crucial for tailoring the integration to meet your unique business needs. Access these settings through the app interface, paying close attention to how sales, taxes, and inventory details will be synchronized. Adjust these specifics to suit your accounting preferences and reporting requirements. As you connect Shopify with QuickBooks, remember that the initial setup might take some time as it involves data alignment between the two platforms. But once set up, it will run automatically, regularly updating your accounting records based on your Shopify sales data. That's all there is to it. By completing this integration, you have now positioned yourself to maintain clearer financial records and make informed decisions based on up-to-date sales trends. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this walkthrough helps you simplify your business management processes.